Today I'm going to show you how to make butter. You will need 600 millilitres of double cream. To be fair, you can use any amount of double cream. I used 600 millilitres, which gave me 350 grams of butter and 175 millilitres of buttermilk. But completely up to you how much you want to make. So you can use little, use less, but all you need is double cream. Having put the double cream into a bowl, you then just want to whisk it. You can either use a stand mixer or you can use an electric mixer, or if you really want to punish yourself, you can use a hand whisk, but it will take an awful long time. It took about 10 minutes to do this with the electric whisker that the electric whisk that you see me with. And you basically want to whisk it and whisk it and whisk it until the solids, until the fats basically solidify and separate from the liquid, which is your buttermilk. So you'll see that it gets to like the double cream mixture that you would usually kind of whip it to have like spreadable double cream. Keep pushing past it, and you'll see it then starts to clump together into these solid fats, but you want to keep pushing past that until you start to see a liquid. So then once you have your solidified fats, which is your butter, and then the creamy white mixture underneath, which is the buttermilk, you then want to sieve out the butter to separate it from your buttermilk. So don't chuck your buttermilk away, because it does make some really nice things. You can use it to like marinate chicken, to make like fried chicken, or you can make cakes with it. So make sure you pop that to one side and use it as well. And then with your solids, with your butter, you just want to bring it together, and then you want to wash it in cold water to try and remove as much buttermilk as possible. So I washed mine 3 times, which all I did was just get a bowl of clean water, pop your butter in it, just kind of massage it a little bit. You'll see it go, the water goes cloudy, take the butter out, replace the water, and again, and you want to do that until the water is clear and no buttermilk comes out. So the reason why we do this is because the buttermilk will sour before the butter, so this actually makes your butter last longer in the fridge. And then once you've washed it until it's clear, you just want to pop it on a piece of greaseproof paper and then just shape it into the shape that you want. I just pop mine into like a normal butter block shape, and this did make about 350 grams of butter. If you wanted to add salt at any point to make it salted butter, by all means you can do. I tend to use unsalted butter more often than not though, because of doing buttercream, so that is completely up to you. And there you have it, that's how you make butter.